Boy, it's been a minute since it's been on this lift, huh?
Alright. Ohio crocodile. Probably just the back pads are up there. One. And an automatic disposal unit. See how further we gotta come forward?
Yeah.
A little ways. This is only one. May not be able to fit it on like this. Try two. It's two stronger on this?
You better try 4.
This doesn't have 4.
It only has 1 and 2.
That's 3. And then
Boom. Right out.
wow, that thing got some zoink. I gotta teach my dad how to change the settings on his own tool. Oof. You might want to watch because it's got so much catapults off left from unspring.
It almost did.
Tension in them little things. Butchie McBrakelheimer.
You just manhandle that thing.
Yeah.
Do you have to get the whole arm off? Or you can...
No, you don't have to get the whole arm off. I usually just
do it right there?
Press them down as far as I can. I might have to take this, loosen this up a little so I can droop it further. The sway bar is probably going to limit us some too, but such is life. So I'm full fuck. I don't want to hurt myself. Oh, fuck. Let me try it from the nut side.
Yeah, oh, she off.
Yeah, she did.
Nice.
She's smoking. Maybe it's just rough. Ah, yes.
How's the bushing?
I mean, it doesn't look bad, but the problem with these is look how much I can move it just with my fingers.
Yeah, that's shit.
So they're not good. You have to get the air boy. One whack, that's all it took.
Just one.
Just one.
Putting in there.
So we're putting in the Condor Speed Shop. These are like a Monoball trailing arm bearing bushing, whereas opposed to like a polyurethane one doesn't want to flex this way, whereas this one is made to flex this way, but it can't go any other direction. A poly one's only gonna hold it in one fixed position, and any other direction it tries to move, it's gonna bind. It's gonna bind your suspension. It's gonna be really bad. So it comes up to the north curls like that. And we could probably...
Then you beat it with a hammer as hard as you can.
Right in the middle,
on the bullseye. Yeah.
Bullseye. On the starfish.
See, I know what I'm doing. I don't even need you.
You don't even need me, no. Why am I here?
It looks like it. It's gotta be.
Yeah, it's gone. Next time we're fucking just putting a torch to the other side before it stick it in.
We're talking about the bushing, right?
Yeah. In your butt.